Hello all, the Center of Excellence in Biodiversity and Natural Resource Management welcomes you in the weekly program entitled Researcher of the Week. It is in this regard the researchers of the center will express their ideas regarding their researches. Season 1 Episode 1. Tell us about yourself.
My name is Jean-Aimé Ruticumugambi, and I'm a lecturer at IPRC Kitabi, that is Sister College of Rwanda Polytechnic. But I'm on my study leave, trying to complete my PhD at Ghent University in Belgium. I'm working closely with the Laboratory of Forest and Nature over there. I'm also a research fellow to the Center of Excellence in Biodiversity and Natural Resources Management, and also a researcher affiliated to IUCN, that is International Union for Conservation of Nature. In addition to that, I'm also part of the board of directors of the Society for Conservation Biology Africa section. Thank you.
In your research, what is your area of interest?
Well, my research interest is in the areas of trees on farms, agroforestry, in other words, and biodiversity. I'm just studying how both landscape structure and the diversity of pollinating insects mediate crop performance. This study aims at investigating the extent to which pollinator-dependent crops depend on co-pollination, and whether local or field and landscape scale structure is linked to visitation of these wild pollinators, and hence promote or increase the crop yield and quality. Thank you.
What motivated you to start that research?
Good. This research fits into the global agenda, like on biodiversity loss and food security. We all know that the impact of climate change is being increasing in the global south, particularly in rural and urban environment. Both rely on natural resources for multiple demands for food security, livelihood and development. And the agriculture expansion is the main driver, the major driver of the habitat loss and biodiversity loss. So we want now to see how both landscape structure and composition can be well designed to support the pollination services in agricultural landscapes and hence promote crop yield and quality. Thank you.
What will be the impact of your research to the community and the country?
Good. My research will impact the community, of course, through guidelines we will develop for effective management of these bees and other wild pollinators in agricultural landscapes. And they will just, from there, they will understand the impacts of these pollinators on the crop yield and quality, and therefore they will understand how to sustainably conserve or use this landscape. Second, it will also impact the country, let's say, because this is trying to show the landscape structure and the composition with a clear link to management and the policy, because we need to show how we can sustainably use these landscapes for us to maintain the functioning of this, to maintain these working landscapes.
Relate your research with the Center of Excellence in Biodiversity and Natural Resource Management.
Well, this is a very, very important question. As I said in my introduction, I'm a research fellow to the Center of Excellence in Biodiversity and Natural Resources Management. And this is clearly linked, my research is linked to that because with the expertise from the colleagues at the center, we are trying to work together and also to see how we can also again meet the core business mission, because one of the core mission is to promote and then build capacity in human resources, people who can advocate for the nature. And definitely that's where you see myself and how they are connected to this, is that because my research definitely has a link to biodiversity conservation in an agricultural landscapes, and this we are trying to link trees, the semi-natural habitats as the structure of the landscape, as the habitat for this biodiversity, and how we can maintain this for crop production, and why we are also targeting, also meeting the global agenda. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Remember to like, share and subscribe on our YouTube channel.